Alright you guys, it's Naturally Cookie here, and today I'll be showing you how I make my Irish sea moss gel. You can get your Irish sea moss either from your grocery store or farmer's market. Here in Georgia, I get mine from Nande Moon, or you can get it from your herbal shop. There's several by me that I purchase them from if they don't have it at the grocery store. Alright, so first you want to wash all of the salt off of your sea moss. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it is dried out and it is very salty and dirty. So what I'm going to do is wash all that salt off first. Once I get it nice and clean and get all the salt off, then I'm going to let it sit in water for 24 hours. So I'll be back so you can see how it looks once it's cleaned off. Okay you guys, I'm back. So yeah, I washed my sea moss for a good 10 minutes, making sure to get all of the salt, and there was little pieces of algae and things still stuck within the sea moss there, so I had to make sure that all of that was cleaned out. But this is how it's looking after being cleaned. It's already starting to come back to life. So next you want to take some distilled or bottled water. Here I have 2 bottles of water, and you want to soak your sea moss for about 24 hours. The reason you want to soak your sea moss is going to bring it back to life. What it's going to do is cause your sea moss to swell up. It is going to double, if not triple in size. So make sure that it is completely submerged in water. Next, I'm going to wrap this in some plastic wrap, and I'm going to let it sit in a dark spot, cool area for 24 hours. I'll be back. Okay you guys, it's been 24 hours and my sea moss has been soaking in the bottles of water. I had 2 bottles of water. Okay, so after soaking, your sea moss should be nice and plump. It should have doubled in size, if not tripled. And this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to take all of the sea moss out of the water and place it in my blender. So I have my sea moss in my blender, and it did fill it up. I have here some aloe vera juice gel mix that I made from the aloe vera leaf in that bottle there. This is the water left over from my sea moss, and then this is some flaxseed gel that I also made from flax seeds by boiling that. I will make a video on how I make my flaxseed gel later. Actually, I think I already have a video out, to be honest, on how I make my flaxseed gel. But I'm going to put probably 1/3 cup of the flaxseed gel with 1/3 cup of the aloe vera and 1/3 cup of the sea moss water to blend this down. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so first I'm going to add the 1/3 cup of sea moss water. Next I'm going to add the 1/3 cup of aloe vera juice. 1/3 cup of the flaxseed gel, which this is thick. I don't know if I'm going to get this out. Let's see. Okay, I had to shake that up and it has loosened up some, just a little bit. And it is still when I tell you this flaxseed gel is so good, you guys. So moisturizing to the hair as a leave-in conditioner or your setting gel, styling gel, should I say. Okay, I'm going to add that to I'm going to put another 1/3 cup of the aloe vera. Alright, I'm going to blend this up and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is how it's looking, and to be honest, I did end up adding that whole bottle of aloe vera juice. I did add a little more of the sea moss water, and I did add another 1/3 cup of the flaxseed gel to get this consistency. And now I'm just going to fill up my jars here. Okay, you guys, this is my sea moss gel. I'm going to place it in the refrigerator and allow it to become solid. I will come back tomorrow to scoop out a spoonful to let you guys see how the consistency is of my sea moss gel. Right now it's a nice and creamy texture. This can be used in your smoothies as a dietary supplement, and it also can be used in your natural hair products. You can put it in your conditioners, your shampoo, your leave-in conditioner as well. This is nice for your hair and is nice for aiding in weight loss and melting belly fat. Alright, you guys, I just wanted to come to you to show you the consistency of my sea moss gel. And as you can see, after sitting in the refrigerator for 24 hours, it is completely solid, a nice jelly texture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay blessed. Share this video with your family and friends. Thumbs up this video and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat.